Hello.
Hello, hello everyone.
Yeah, hi, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Is it possible for you to turn on the video?
Video. Okay. Am
Okay.
I visible
Yeah.
now?
Yes, sir. Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. So,
I'm able to view completely or side view.
sir, it's fine. It's perfect. The alignment is perfect of the camera.
Okay.
Yeah. So, good evening, everyone. I extend a warm welcome to all at this capstone project presentation, and I find immense pleasure in introducing our honorable guest, Mr. Shailendra Rampal, who is MCA and a SAP-certified consultant, having 25 years of rich experience in software industry in MNC. We are really thankful, sir, for taking the time out of your busy schedule to attend this session, and I hope you will enjoy your time with us by looking the projects of these young coders.
No, definitely.
Alright, so Joshwin, Mukund, one by one you may present your project. Who is going first?
Um,
Yeah, Joshwin, you may start with your introduction and then you may introduce your project.
okay. I'm Joshwin. I'm from Canada, and I designed a Pac-Man game.
Yeah, you may now share your screen.
Okay, one second. Okay.
Mhm.
Basically, you move the Pac-Man around with the arrow keys, and every time you collect an apple, your score goes up by 1. You have 60 seconds to play until the game becomes over.
Will something happen if it touches the blue color?
Yeah, if it touches the blue, then one of the 3 lives go down, and once
Oh,
all 3 lives are done, the game ends.
okay. Sir, if you want to ask something?
Just a minute, let me increase the voice first. I'm not able to hear properly. Let me see where is this one. Hold on. Uh, just a second. I just wanted to increase the volume of. Just a second. Give me. Okay.
Yeah, is it good, sir?
Yeah, now it's good. Yeah.
Okay.
Could you please repeat last two sentences,
Yeah,
Joshua?
Joshwin, yeah, if you may sum up your game once.
Um, if your lives reach 0, the game stops, and you can lose lives if you touch the blue walls. And you can score points by collecting apples.
Okay. Good. This may I ask more something, Jasmine?
Sure.
How do you draw this particular map of paths and obstacles?
I took a Google image from online,
Mhm.
and then since the apples were spawning inside of the walls, I had to color it all inside. So yeah.
Good, good. And how do you make sure the apples are dropping or appearing only on the roads or path, not on the other side, blue color?
It's in the code.
Is in the code. Okay.
It just says in clone, so if it spawns in the any of the blues or anything, it'll delete the clone.
Where is that code?
It's just over here. It doesn't say it spawns in the black. It just says if it spawns in the blue, then it'll delete it. So it has to spawn in the black.
Okay.
It can't spawn anywhere else.
Okay. Good, good, good. And if I, let us say, want to increase the speed while moving in y direction, how can you make it?
To increase the speed of the Pac-Man.
Increase the speed of the Pac-Man if it is moving in the direction of left or right, not up or down.
Then you have to change this
Okay.
and then
Okay, fantastic. Good, good job. And I think you have the complete uh, knowledge of how it is being done. This is good. And in which, what is your age?
I'm 13.
13.
Yeah.
Okay, good. It's a good job from my side. It's remarkable that people are doing all such things at this age and clarifying and understanding your this knowledge of logics and all. This is good. Anything you want to say something specifically about this experiencing what you have done?
Yeah, I think so.
Mhm. Well done. Good job.
Yeah, good job, Joshman. Can we have applause, everyone, for him? Good job, Joshman. Very nice. All right, Mukund, now you may go. You may start by your introduction first. If you may lower down your camera a bit, Mukund. Lower down your
Okay.
camera. Yeah, perfect. Now it's good.
Hello, my name is Mukund, and today I made a game on something I like, which is cars. Yeah, I'm from Canada and I'm 13 years old as well. And basically, in my game, there will be like you will be this white car, and you will be using the arrow keys to move left and right, and then there will be cars coming, and you just have to dodge those cars.
Okay.
And then for the variables, you have 3 lives. So if you touch the cars, you lose 1 life. And if you touch the green, then you lose life. So you just have to try to dodge these.
Okay.
Yeah. And there will be a timer also, and you'll see how long you last. And the point of the game is to last as long as you can.
Mhm.
Yeah, sir, if you want to ask something on it.
Okay. The cars are coming randomly, right?
Yes, randomly.
And okay, okay. And have you defined any particular place to start that dropping of cars?
Yeah, so I just basically chose between these two, anywhere between in the road, and they'll come down.
Okay. On the top of the horizontally top, you're saying.
Yeah, on the top.
Okay, okay. And how do you make sure that all the cars are not dropping all along the same time?
So I basically randomized the time. So like I said, like between 3 to 5 seconds, a car could come.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it is running in the daytime, right?
Yes.
So, okay. The night evening time is not covered in this project.
No, unfortunately, no.
I've seen somewhere where while you're driving, the daytimes become evening and then dark night.
Yeah, I need to learn that effect. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Just show me, just run your cars, just show me your project. Just bang one car into another one. What happens? What kind of
You
messages?
lose a life. Yeah, and eventually you get to 0, and it's just game over.
Game over, okay. So if touches any car, it game over, right?
Yeah, so you have 3 times. Like if it touches 3 times, then it's game over.
Good, good. And if it goes left, extreme left or extreme right,
Yeah,
touch the
then
path, then
you also lose a life, and then yeah, so like if I touch the green, then you lose a life and you go back to the center.
and how much time it has to travel a car?
Like like a car comes between 3 to 5 seconds, so like anywhere in between.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, I guess so he has not added the time limit to play the game. It's that how long you can survive in the game. The
Okay.
time is increasing here.
Okay. And does this speed also increases as long as if you play for longer, or speed?
No, the speed stays the same. Yeah.
Good. Anyway, good. This is also good. Mukan, well done. Good job.
Yeah, good
Thank you.
job. Can we have applause, everyone? Good job, Mukul.
Thank
Nice,
you.
very nice. All right, you may stop your screen share. Sir, would you like to add some inputs to them? You can share like what all they can do, what all they can add in their projects. If you want to add something to it.
I think they have the complete knowledge what they already done it in their project. So you may add more complexity. Maybe if let's say the Pac-Man going from one direction to another direction between two coordinates, the speed increases, or if it is going left and right, so speed increases, you have better control on left and right, and up and down you may have a slower speed. If it has taken more than certain amount of apples, so speed increases. So you may add more complexity into this and give better control. Since I've seen you are placing 5 steps plus or minus. So, so if you decrease the steps, will that slower or faster the movement of the Pac-Man, Joshin?
Can you repeat that?
Sorry?
Can you repeat that?
Sir, if you may please repeat your question.
Okay, what I'm saying is if you decrease the steps, if you decrease the steps from 5 to 2, what will happen? The smooth movement will be smoother or speed will be increase or decrease of the Pac-Man?
It'll be slower, but it'll be more easy to control because it's not going as fast.
And while moving left or right, you may probably choose a different skin so that the Pac-Man, if it is moving right side, then you can choose another one. Moving there, yeah, that may you can add it as we normally see in our Pac-Man games.
Yeah.
Normally there. Yeah, this is good. And on the other side, Mukan, you may add probably more complexity by making a smaller size of the cars and more cars and more movements. Probably you may have a darker side of the day while and with lights, etc. on the car. You can add more complexity. This is on UI side, but on other hand side, you should also learn the various loops which you put in, just like for, forever, etc. So you should understand what all other conditional loops are there, which you can control while moving left or right or up and down. But I believe are doing good job and good understanding and good knowledge. I hope your confidence level also increasing by writing such kind of writing or playing games. It's good that at this age you're grasping all this and practicing all this, which builds your confidence to learn more and more complex levels. So it will help you in other areas also. Good job, both of you, Joshua, Mukan. All the best wishes from my side. Anything else you would like to say? Okay.
No, but thank you for coming.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, you may now upload this project on the dash.